Welcome to Module 6. So, theme for this unit is going to be follow the money and you can follow the logic. So, it's important you understand how the money flows in healthcare organizations and to providers. And so, you're going to be using many of the ideas that we look at here in that final paper to look at just what we should be doing in the future. Probably the biggest change recently in how the money flows is the Affordable Care Act. And though many would argue of how it successfully added people into our system and provided additional access, there are some flaws in the way that it's structured. Mainly that the penalties, if you will, are too low, and so too many people are opting out, leaving the larger users to opt into the system, creating what we call adverse selection. So how this results in a problem is for the last couple of years, we've had a number of big insurers say that they're not going to participate anymore. And recently, Minnesota was just talking this weekend that they're looking at having to increase rates 65%, 50%, just to keep insurance companies in participating in the market. And though our rates haven't been that high here in North Carolina, we saw an average of 35% last year, and insurers are looking for a similar increase again this year. Plus, we have insurers that are going to be opting out here in North Carolina. So that's going to create lack of choice, if you will. So there are issues that we're dealing with. And so here we are coming up on this election period, and what's going to happen with the Affordable Care Act? Are there going to be changes? Is it going to be repealed? So it's an important unit for you to understand the dynamics behind this. Very complicated once again. And so as we decide of whether we're going to continue as a multi-payer system or what in this country, that part of what you learn will help you to form your opinions on that. Now, in terms of work, you got a couple things you'll be doing during this 2-week module period. One is you will have a forum to participate in, and then we'll also have our third exam. So see you online.